Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we have to enter the settings, because firstly I will show you how to customize this mode and then how to have much faster access to this feature. So let's enter the display, and on the third position we've got the night light. Simply tap on it. In order to see any differences in the customization, we have to turn it on, so simply tap on turn on now, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish, a little bit amber, and it is in order obviously to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen or read in a dim light. So here we've got the intensity switcher, and we can change it just by going to the left or to the right. By going to the left we can make it much cooler, almost invisible, let's say, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use, which intensity you will choose. Oh my god, what's going on? Okay, and above it we've got the schedule option. Let's tap on it, and here we can turn it on at custom time, so we will be able to pick the start and end time, or we can turn it from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically pick the hour it will turn it on or off. So let's custom the time. For example, let's tap on it, and as I said, we've got the start time and end time. So let's pick the start time, which will be at, for example, I don't know, 12. Confirm it with OK, it is important, and tap on end time, and let me pick, for example, 12, and tap on OK. And as you can see, the screen automatically turns yellow because we are between the start time and end time. So actually this is it. This is the whole customization of the night light. So now let me show you much faster access to this feature. All you have to do in order to turn on or off the night light is to unroll the top bar. And here let's swipe, and as you can see here we've got the night light icon. Right now it is obviously turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state almost immediately. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. If you've got if for some reason you cannot find the night light, no worries, just tap on this pencil icon right here. You will be able to find it in this section. Then just tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first one. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.